Hi, this is day 11. So we are pivoting, meaning originally I wanted to make the migration system of this ERP to take in multiple sources. So it won't only just be able to take in my source, the CAO database. I like to build multiple tools that it can use to analyze other sources, the schema, and how it maps into the inventory schema. Now that it makes sense, but it caused a lot of problem because I am not that familiar with databases. I've learned data science, but it is quite different with databases. I'm still getting familiar with it. We will eventually get there, but after today, I was evaluating the direction and what is the most important or most valuable features and the value that this project for now makes, right? So, meaning how to get this product online or as for testing as fast as possible, my MVP, right? So making the migration system to fit all those data sources is not the most valuable thing. That will be a future feature that I can introduce when someone or anyone wants to use the ERP system that I am building. But to make people want to use this ERP system, I have to build the desire, right? You got to a ERP system is efficiency, making their everyday task, everyday business routines more efficient, implementing the marketing system, which intends to bring more value into their bring more revenue into their business. That's what people want, right? That's what companies want, and that's the most valuable part. Not just migrating data. That will be a very layer feature. So for now, it would just be good enough to import the data that I have, and I think that is fine. It's fine. Let's get the data in, start building the most valuable part of this system, and testing out the MVP, making sure that it works, and build on top of it, build the AI native thinking into it, and with the base we can extend multiple directions into multiple business domain, right? Now, easy to be said. Well, we are still having some trouble, but after revaluing what's most important to the project, it kind of feels like getting back on track. So it does help always reevaluating your project, what is important. So your priority. For now, this project, the priority is not migrating data from multiple different sources. The priority is to get this product, this SaaS, to go online and start testing. So that is a very big lesson, or a valuable lesson that I will always be thinking of. What the most valuable part. Now, after this revaluation, I started to clean up the code, and it led me to a lot of problems that I have found in the system. Duplicating code, restructuring. So the code was broken. I fixed it, but after some build, I went into a lot of problems and forcing me to reevaluate what is more important. And then right now we kind of have to restructure it again because the code just was broken again. and I had to use git revert to revert to a previous working code, and that had me thought of that gave me another chance to start fresh, right? And then I found that the actual problem is, because I want to build for multiple sources, the AI kind of just build multiple entry points to the migration system, and every time I want to test the migration, it kind of does not know which route to take. So there wasn't an index or a register that the AI can use, and I found out that, and I was building on top of, I was solving the problem, and now AI does have the menu to use which migration system it can use. So that's what we accomplished today, and I think we are back on track. So I'm really happy that I'm really glad that we have been through this. So with this valuable experience, from now on, every time there's a we run into obstacles, it's not about just technical stuff, it's about what is the most valuable to the project right now, the priority. And that's the lesson today. So stay tuned if you want to find out more. Subscribe. I will be sharing out more information that I learned, and that will be useful to your project, right? So stay tuned. Subscribe.